OOTD shade of the carpet. That won't help. Color situation. I tried to move it, but it's really not like that. Worried about art theft, I guess. Art thieves in this neighborhood.